I am Milton, son of a carpenter, married dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, Mom Mary Ann. I am the son of a carpenter, I get to tell parables, and then also get to do a little genetic carpentry. Used to be all dark brown, slowly but surely changing to blue. And the angels will help me craft my parables. They're particularly good with Tommy's. And last night I introduced the character at Tommy, the No Arm Chinese fella's AA meeting at the bar. Amputees Anonymous. And she was missing her nose, and I've had several different angels supply different ideas for how she lost her nose. And I plan to get into all of them. And in tonight's reason for her losing her nose, she sneezed really, really hard.